I just got off shift from the fire department, so I don't know if you heard that or not, but that was a gobble. It's 6:51. We're trying to hunt some public land this morning, and every single spot was taken at the gate, so I'm like, right here at the end of the line. No other options. But we got a bird that's fired up. He's probably 200 yards away. Let's see what we can make happen right here. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's freaking go. Every freaking gate in this whole place snatched up. Came straight off of work. Just stepped outside the truck, just trying to get lucky and hear one. Called him in off the private. You see that yellow mark right there? Brought him in on a string, cuz. Golly. Thumped his head. Come on. Give me that. Let me get him out of that little water right there. I'll tell you what, that rogue is a bad shell. It'll thump you, but this ain't not stone cold. It's a good old looking Mississippi public land turkey. And boy, did he put on a show. He gobbled. He never strutted for him, but my goodness. He was fired up this morning. Alright, where was I at? Alright. I was tucked in this little corner of this tree. The bird was gobbling about 250 yards that way, across a few of these little fingers right here. As you can see, I'm about 75 yards from the truck. So I just hopped in here on the edge of this little finger, dived up in here, and I think I said I got out here at 6:50, 7:21. 30 minutes, not too bad. Pretty much just yelped them all the way in, scratched a little bit. My intentions was for him to come straight in here on this line, but you know, it don't ever work out like that. Had my camera and everything set up right beside me right here, and gun pointed this way. So after he got behind that tree right there, swung my gun over my camera, and he was just right there below that little crest right there, going into that drainage. So I don't even know if you saw him or not on camera. Just wasn't enough time to get that camera zoomed in on or anything, but hey, I told y'all in the first video, if it comes between getting it on video and killing that son of a gun, you may never ever see it killed. But hey, we got one put on the ground this morning. It's truly a blessing. It was a beautiful morning. Well, I really don't know if this is much much of a video this time, but we got one done this morning on a Friday morning. Straight after I got off work. I still got my work pants on, my BDUs. And no, I'm not a cop, okay? Nothing wrong with being a cop, because somebody's got to do it. I'm just glad it ain't me. Alright, well, I'm going to pray us out right here. Father, just thank you so much for today. Just thank you for allowing us to wake up this morning. Thank you for your grace and salvation, Father. And thank you for beautiful mornings like this morning. And we appreciate all your creations, especially the turkey, Father, because he put on a show this morning. And I just pray for all the lost souls and pray that we'll have a safe weekend of hunting and working, Father. In your name, I love you. Amen. Alright, we'll catch you on the next one.